All right, here's an update on my original attempt to repair and patch my s-14 gas tank. Previously, I tried to plastic weld this. You can see in the white there where I filled things in. I end drill and stop drilled the crack on both ends. It goes above and below the seam there. I filled it in. It lasted about 3 days, and you can see here from the tension of the straps and from the pressure, it cracked again right down where the original crack was. Now I'm not sure if what I used to fill in with maybe wasn't the best strength or whatever it was, but either way it failed. I'm moving on to a new solution here. I tried a bunch of different epoxies and stuff like that, and I might add them to the end of this video so I can show you all the different things that I've tried. But I moved on to this patch here that guarantees that it'll work. It's by Tech Bond, specifically made for a poly. HDPE comes with a patch specifically made for it. So I got my kit here. I got everything I need out. I'm gonna go ahead and prep this and get it applied. This is gonna be a nice, quick, short intro. If this works, I'll film a follow-up in a couple days, and that's when you'll see this video. If it doesn't work, you might not see this. All right, here we go. Alright, a quick follow-up on my patch here. I noticed that there was still some sponginess in the middle, looking like where it hadn't adhered very well. I mean, not super surprised because of the dip that's in here, in this space. Sorry, shading. So I went and peeled this off. Actually, I sliced it, and then the whole center section peeled right off. Didn't really have any adhesion whatsoever. On the outside edge though, where I double glued it, it's really the best bond that I've seen so far, hands down. But the whole center section that's supposed to bond didn't bond. Is it my fault I didn't put the applicator on right? Did I not prep the surface all right? I don't know. I mean, it worked on the outside here. I mean, this is, like I said, by far not the actual material to it, but this glue has been by far the best bond that we've seen. All right, here's the final answer. Put some pressure on this. Opens right back up again. So, it's still not going to work. Back to the drawing board.